In this video, we will see how to calculate electric field whenever potential is given to us. So for this, you should know one formula, that electric field equal to minus of del V, where del is a del operator and it is a vector quantity. Because our electric field is a vector quantity, potential is a scalar quantity, so we must have to multiply with the vector quantity. So here del is a vector quantity and unit of del is per meter. Unit of del operator is per meter. So we have three coordinate systems, Cartesian. So Cartesian coordinates are x, y, z. In Cartesian coordinate system, this del V is calculated as dabba V by dabba x, ax vector plus dabba V by dabba y, ay vector plus dabba V by dabba z, az vector. So this is how we calculate the del V in Cartesian. Now cylindrical. So cylindrical coordinates are rho phi z, and here del V is given by del V equal to dabba V by dabba rho, a rho vector plus, now next will be dabba V by dabba phi. Whenever phi comes, rho will also come. So 1 by rho times dabba V by dabba rho into a rho vector, a phi vector plus a phi plus dabba V by dabba z, az vector. Now third coordinate system is spherical. Coordinates are r, theta, phi. So here del V is given by del V equal to dabba V by dabba r, ar vector plus 1 by r dabba V by dabba theta, a theta plus 1 by r sin theta dabba V by dabba phi, a phi vector. So you need to remember this del V operator, this del operator in all these three coordinate systems. So let's look at the question. In free space, potential distribution is V equal to 2x square y z plus 4. Find electric field at 1, 1, minus 3. So we know that electric field is minus of del V, and that is nothing but minus of dabba V by dabba x, ax vector plus dabba V by dabba y, ay vector plus dabba V by dabba z, az vector. So let's calculate dabba V by dabba x, and points are also given. We can calculate at that point also. So dabba V by dabba x. So V is given, just differentiate by treating y and z constant. So take the derivative of only x terms. So this will be 4x y z plus 4. So y z plus 4 and 2 I have taken constant. X square derivative is 2x. So 2 into 2, 4x. Now coordinates are 1, 1, minus 3. Substitute x as 1, y as 1, z as minus 3. So it becomes 4 into 1 into 1, minus 3 plus 4, that means 1. So 4 into 1 into 1, so answer is 4. So dabba V by dabba x is 4. Now similarly find out dabba V by dabba y. So treat y as constant and differentiate this partially. So the partial derivative will be 2x square z plus 4. Now coordinates are 1, 1, minus 3. Substitute. So 2 into 1 square minus 3 plus 4, that means 1. So answer will be 2. Now find out dabba V by dabba z. So differentiate partially with respect to z. So its partial derivative will be 2x square y is a constant and z plus 4 derivative is 1. So this will be simply 2x square y. Coordinates are 1, 1, minus 3. Substitute x1, y1, z minus 3. So its value comes out as 2 into 1 into 1, that means 2. So now substitute all these values in given equation. So electric field E equal to minus of 4ax vector plus 2ay vector, because dA by v by dA by y has value 2 and dA by v by dA by z has value 2. So again substitute, so 2az vector and multiply with the minus sign. So final answer for electric field is electric field equal to minus 4ax vector minus 2ay vector minus 2az vector. So this is our final answer. Now let's look at one more question. Potential distribution in free space is V equal to rho square e raised to minus z sin phi. Find electric field at 2 comma pi by 2 comma 1. So here the potential distribution is given in the cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, so in cylindrical coordinate system, electric field E equal to minus of del V equal to minus of dA by V by dA by rho a rho vector plus 1 by rho dA by V by dA by phi a phi vector plus dA by V by dA by z a z vector. So just differentiate with respect to rho, phi and z. So we will differentiate this equation partially with respect to rho, phi and z. Also we will calculate at these points 2 comma pi by 2 comma 1. So here rho is 2, phi is pi by 2 and z is 1. Okay. So dA by V by dA by rho. So e raised to minus z sin phi constant and rho square derivative is 2 rho and this e raised to minus z sin phi is a constant. Substitute the coordinates. So 2 into 2 4, z value is 1, so e raised to minus 1, sin phi is pi by 2, so sin pi by 2 is also 1. So its value comes out as 4 e raised to minus 1. Now calculate dA by V by dA by phi. So rho square e raised to minus z is a constant, derivative of sin phi is cos phi. Substitute the values. So 2 e raised to minus 1 cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So dA by V by dA by rho comes out as 0. Now dA by V by dA by z. So rho square derivative, rho square we have to treat constant, sin phi we have to treat constant, and derivative of e raised to minus z is minus of e raised to minus z. So it becomes minus e raised to minus z. E raised to minus ax has derivative minus a e raised to minus ax. So use this derivative formula to calculate the derivative of e raised to minus z. Now substitute the coordinates. So it comes out as rho is 2, so minus 4, sin pi by 2 is 1 and z is 1. So it comes out as 4 e raised to minus 1. So substitute all this in the formula. So electric field E equal to minus of, so this is 4 e raised to minus 1 a rho vector plus 0 minus 4 e raised to minus 1 az vector. Multiply with the minus sign. The final answer is 4 by e a rho vector minus minus plus, and here minus sign will come. Once I have multiplied with the minus, so here minus will come and minus minus becomes plus 4 by e az vector. So this is the answer of electric field at the given coordinates. Now let's look at one more question. So potential distribution is V equal to 2 rho z square cos phi. Find electric field at 1 comma pi by 2 comma 1. So first of all, E equal to minus of del V. In cylindrical coordinate system, that means rho phi z, this del V operator is dA by V by dA by rho a rho vector plus dA by V by dA by phi. Phi with phi always 1 by rho will come. With phi always rho will come. So 1 by rho dA by V by dA by rho a phi vector plus dA by V by dA by z a z vector. Now just calculate dA by V by dA by rho. So dA by V by dA by rho comes out as 2z square cos phi. So here I have treated rho as constant. I have treated z and phi as constant. So 2 z square cos phi, and rho derivative is 1. Now di by v by di by phi. So treat rho and z constant. So 2 rho z square constant. Cos phi derivative is minus sin phi. So here minus sign will come. Now di by v by di by z. So 2 rho is a constant. Z square derivative is 2z, and cos phi is also a constant. Now calculate the values at 1 comma pi by 2 comma 1. So here rho is 1, phi is pi by 2, and z is 1. So 2 into 1 square into cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Then next, di by v by di by rho. So 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1, that means minus 2, and sin pi by 2 is 1. So its value comes out as minus 2. Once again I will repeat, minus 2 into 1, sin pi by 2 is 1. So minus 2 into 1 into 1 into 1, so answer is minus 2. Now di by v by di by z. 2 into 1 into 2, that means 4, into 1, that means 4, and cos pi by 2 is 0. So its value is 0. Now substitute all these in the given equation. So electric field E equal to minus of 0 plus 1 by rho. Now rho value is 1, dot di by v by di by phi value is minus 2 a phi vector plus 0. So final answer is 2 a phi vector. So this is the final answer for the electric field E bar. Now let's look at one question based in the spherical coordinate system. So the potential distribution is 5 by r square sin theta cos phi. Find electric field at 1 comma pi by 2 comma 0 degree. So spherical coordinates are r, theta, phi. So theta is pi by 2, phi is 0 degree, and r is 1. So for spherical coordinate system, electric field E equal to minus of del V, and del V is minus di by V by di by R, a R vector plus 1 by R di by V by di by theta, a theta vector plus 1 by R sin theta di by V by di by phi, a phi vector. So you need to remember this formula of del operator. Now just calculate di by V by di by R. V is given, find out di by V by di by R. So 5 sin theta cos phi is a constant. 5 sin theta cos phi is a constant. Now what is derivative of 1 by r square? So 1 by r square can be written as r raised to minus 2. So its derivative is, derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. So here n value is minus 2. So derivative of r raised to minus 2 will be minus 2 r raised to power minus 2 minus 1, that means minus 3. So substitute this derivative here. So it comes out as minus 2 r raised to minus 3. So this is di by v by di by r. Now coordinates are 1 comma pi by 2 comma 0 degree. So calculate it. 5 theta is pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, cos 0 is 1, phi is 0, cos 0 is 1. So 5 into 1 into 1 into minus 2 into r is 1. So 1 raised to minus 3 is 1. So its answer is minus 10. Now we will calculate di by v by di by theta. So 5 by r square sin theta cos phi. Our function is 5 by r square sin theta cos phi. Now di by v by di by theta. So again treat theta as constant and take partial derivative. So 5 by r square is a constant, cos phi is a constant, and derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Now substitute the coordinates. Coordinates are 1 comma pi by 2 comma 0 degree. So r is 1, theta is pi by 2 and phi is 0. Substitute these values, so it comes out as 5 by 1 cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0. So di by v by theta comes out as 0. Now we will calculate di by v by phi. So v is available here, find out di by v by phi. So 5 by r square constant, sin theta constant, because we are differentiating with respect to phi, cos phi derivative is minus sin phi. Now substitute the coordinates, 1 pi by 2 0, r is 1, theta is pi by 2, phi is 0. Substitute this, so 5 by 1, sin pi by 2 is 1, but sin 0 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So its answer comes out as 0. So we got all the values now. We can substitute in the given equation. So our electric field E equal to minus of del V equal to minus of, first di by V by r, di by V by r value is 10, sorry, minus 10 AR vector plus 0 plus 0, because di by V by phi is 0, di by V by theta is also 0. So final answer is 10 times AR vector. So this is the answer for the electric field for this question. Now let's look at, so I think we have done enough practice. So you must remember these formulas, that electric field is minus del of V, and for Cartesian you should be able to write, for cylindrical you should be able to write, and for spherical also you should be able to write. Okay,